Greetings, my curious companions! Let's embark on a journey through the realm of liquidity risk, a place where financial waters can sometimes get a bit wobbly. Imagine you're at the beach, ready for a day of splashing and surfing. But what if the tide suddenly decides to play hide and seek? That's when you encounter the enigmatic liquidity risk. It's like the ocean's mischievous mood swings in the world of finance. Visualize the financial market as a vast, ever-changing ocean, and the various investments as different types of boats sailing on its surface. Now, liquidity risk is like the unpredictable nature of the tides. Sometimes, the waters are calm and gentle, and all the boats can navigate smoothly. But other times, the tide recedes, leaving boats stranded on the shore, and that's where liquidity risks jumps into the scene. Picture yourself as a daring sailor, setting out on your investment voyage. You've chosen a boat, let's call it Invest Ship, and are ready to ride the waves. However, if you suddenly find yourself in a part of the ocean where the waters are shallow and the tide is low, you might have trouble moving your boat around. This is akin to facing liquidity risk, when you're unable to buy or sell an investment without causing major ripples. Imagine trying to surf a wave on a day when the ocean is as calm as a snoozing cat. It's a struggle, right? Similarly, in a low liquidity scenario, you might not find many fellow sailors willing to trade with you at reasonable prices, and the market might become as still as a statue. Now, let's flip the sandy coin. On days when the tide is high and the ocean is roaring with waves, everything is smooth sailing for your Invest Ship. This mirrors a high liquidity situation in the financial world. You can easily buy and sell your investments without causing major disruptions, just like riding the waves with the wind at your back. But beware, dear adventurers, just as tides can change in a heartbeat, liquidity levels in the market can shift unexpectedly. A once stormy sea might suddenly turn into a serene pond, and vice versa. This dance of liquidity is something to keep in mind, especially if you're navigating your Invest Ship in unfamiliar waters or during turbulent times. So, my fellow sea-loving spirits, remember that liquidity risk is like the ever-changing tide at the beach, sometimes gentle, sometimes wild. It's all about staying aware, choosing your course wisely, and being prepared to navigate through whatever kind of financial waters come your way.